I have not had Papa John's in so long, y'all.
You right, man.
Girls that be saying that they make $40 for lunch, they not lying. I want cheese sticks. Well, actually, what kind of pizza you was gonna get? If I don't finish the cheese sticks, you can eat some of mine. We in Papa John's, y'all. On a late night run. You see, I still got my work clothes on. They sent us home early. So this is the start of a new vlog. This is the start of tomorrow's vlog. I'm cheating.
That's it. You want anything else?
That's it, babe.
Do you keep this?
Yes, babe. It's paper. What he gonna do with it? That's how you know he don't steal. Cause why is he asking to keep this? Like he gotta give it back.
I'm still kidding.
Yeah, late night. I have not had Papa John's in so long, y'all. Like, so this is what we do when the kids is not home and we off for work early. We go get something to eat. This is why I can't keep weight off of me. When you in love, that's all you do is eat. I ain't stopped eating yet. That's why my cheeks are so big.
Yo, they got Nelly's here.
They got a Nelly's here. This is the start of day 27. Oh yeah, babe, I'm only doing 30 days and then I'm gonna post twice a week. I'm on day 27. That means I posted for 27 days every day. I just woke.
Posting last week too?
Yeah.
What was you posting? Were you posting?
No. No, I didn't post nothing personal. I just told my YouTube family that I was going through a lot and that when I get comfortable, then I'll explain to them why I was going through so much. But right now, I'm not comfortable talking about it, so. He don't want me telling y'all my business, but I said we, you know, in the club, we all fam.
You right, man. Tell he's more of a thinker. But he's definitely have more personality than you.
Yeah, Lil. Uncle Lil. Hey, y'all. It's the next day. Why the heck is freaking pouring? We supposed to be freaking going to the school to see about me enrolling. And we was going to take a nice walk because my man is home today. It just started pouring out the blue. Like, it's real bad. Anyway, y'all, it's fucking pouring for no reason. For no reason. We're supposed to go for a nice little walk, a 10-minute walk, because that's where the school is at. And as soon as we come out, it starts pouring. Mind you, it's supposed to be a heat advisory. So it's like, do you want to rain or do you want to be hot?
Well, think about it like this. Every time we went to New Jersey and we had a good time, it was raining. Wait.
Babe, put your seatbelt on. And don't come in this passenger.
Wait.
Don't come in the passenger side trying to tell me what to do, okay? What you were saying?
I said every time we went out to Jersey, we had a good time.
Oh yeah, it was pouring. Every single time. Every single time we try to do something, it rains. Like, what is going on? Is that a sign? Then it's raining mad hard for no reason. Like, what is tea? What's today's date?
6.
So I just dropped my man off at the train station. He's going to Poughkeepsie to go hang out with his kids and his cousin. So he decided that he didn't want to drive because, of course, he's going to be, you know, my man don't get out too much and he works every day. So this is his day. Like, he's off from both jobs. So usually when he's off, you know, he stays home. But, you know, he's going to hang out with his kids and his cousin. So he gonna be like living it up, you know, drinking a little bit. So he don't want to drink and drive. We being responsible. So I just dropped him off and I gotta be to work. And that's another reason why he's going out, because I have to, I'm actually working OT today. So I have to be to work at 3. It is 1:29. So I didn't eat anything yet. We ran around at the schools to look into the programs and stuff like that. So I'm waiting to hear, we're both waiting to hear a call back because he wants to do something else. So we'll both be going to school, and I love that for us because we're trying to further our education. So yeah, we're doing it together. I don't know what I want to eat. I'm trying not to have anything with cheese. I'm in Beacon. Beacon don't really have shit. I'm at Sal's Pizzeria. Now, I could go in there and get some hot chili wings. But maybe I'll just get some wings. I'll do that. Let's go get some wings. So yeah, I got some sweet chili wings. They sweet chili wings are so good. Fry hard, and then I got an order of fries. Why did all of that come up to like $20? These prices are just getting fucking ridiculous at this point. I'm so over it. I could have got me a slice and wing. I wasn't trying to spend $20 on a meal, but here I am. So these girls that be saying that they need $40 for lunch, they not lying. Like, it costs a lot. What the hell? I need to go food shopping so I could just cook my own damn food. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just waiting for my food right now. And then I'll probably just slide over to my parents and eat it because, I mean, I have so much time. I don't have to be to work at 3:15 until 3:15, and I'm not going over there right now. Absolutely not. So, yeah. Hey y'all, got my Pepsi. It's 2:20. I was gonna go to my parents' house, but they didn't bring out my wings until like 2 o'clock. So I'm just thinking about the time. I'm like, well, by the time I get to my parents' house, it's gonna be this time. I'm not gonna have time to even enjoy my food. And I got like an order, some seasoned fries. And I got some sweet chili wings. They so freaking good. That's how they look. With blue cheese because ranch could never. And I'm about to tear this up. This better have caffeine in it. Oh, okay. Pepsi. I need to wake up. It's the only Pepsi I drink. Cherry or vanilla. Cherry vanilla. Eat my wings. I told them fry it hard. I like my wings crispy. Hear that crunch? Some celery. Oh, baby.